Hi everyone, my name is Yana and I want to represent you an incremental analysis about decisions to eliminate unprofitable business segments. Management sometimes must consider whether to eliminate a division or segment if it is not profitable. The decisions are called keep or drop or continue or discontinue decisions. Management must consider which costs and benefits would change as a result of the decision. Because some costs may be incurred even if the segment is eliminated, we need to do an incremental analysis. Before deciding to eliminate a product line, one needs to ask the following questions. What costs and revenues would change as a result of the decision? Would the costs and revenues of other product lines be affected by the decision? Are there alternative uses for the resources currently devoted to a product line? Opportunity costs. If you want to find out what will happen if you eliminate a particular product, compare two contribution margin income statements. One that assumes that you continue with product and one that assumes you drop it. The first example is the Great Soda Corporation is thinking about discontinuing a soft drink line called Fizzy. The company expects to be able to sell just 1,200 cases of Fizzy this year at a price of $10 per case. The cost of making Fizzy is shown here. Now, note that fixed costs here are unavoidable, which means the total fixed cost will be the same whether or not Fizzy soft drinks line will be discontinued. Continuing to make Fizzy means the Great Soda Corporation loses $3,000. However, eliminating Fizzy causes the company to lose $5,000. When it comes profitability, it is a no-win situation. Eliminating Fizzy increases losses by $2,000, so the smart decision is for the Great Soda Corporation to keep making Fizzy. The conclusion is that even if a segment may be unprofitable, it may be contributing to the overall income of the company. These and other factors should be considered before discontinuing this segment. The next example, assume same facts as above, except now assume that $2,000 instead of $5,000 in the previous example of the fixed costs attributed to the Fizzy line can be eliminated if the line is discontinued. In this case, before the company is able to eliminate of its cost by eliminating the division, it can increase in net income by $1,000. This occurs because $3,000 saving that results from eliminating fixed costs exceed the $2,000 in cost lost contribution margin by $1,000. As a result, an important purpose of management accounting is to provide managers with relevant information for decision making.